Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this photo editing app platform, which is VSCO. So let's get started with the breakdown and analysis about this platform. VSCO is a well-known photo editing platform that focuses on artist filters, subtitle color grading, and a minimalist editing experience in 2025. It remains a variety among photographers, influencers, and creatives who want to achieve a clean, film-inspired aesthetics without complicated tools. The app offers a huge library of filters called presets that replicate vintage film look, along with advanced editing slide for exposure, contrast, gain, HSL, split tones, and more. It supports video editing and montage creation with similar tools like many AI-powered apps. VS Code doesn't rely heavily on automatic retouching. It puts creative control in the hand of the user, which is ideal for people who prefer custom, intentional editings. VS Code is free to download, but most features, especially the premium filters and video tools, require a VS Code membership, which is between $7 per month to $29 per year. This free version includes a handful of preset and basic tools, while the paid version unlocks the full preset library. Advanced video editing, HSL control, and exclusive film effect. The pros include its tasteful editing style, smooth user experience, and a community of creators for inspiration. The downside is it's not ideal for one-tap verification or AI-based edit. It's more about artistic control than automation, but if you're serious about visual storytelling and want a professional creative edge, VSCO is still one of the best artistic editors in 2025. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this editing and photo app. And if you find the video helpful, turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.